Hello everyone. Let's welcome this autumn with this beautiful autumn painting. Here I am sharing a step-by-step tutorial for this. So keep watching. For this we need a canvas sheet, a card sheet, some brushes round and flat. This is a ball tip tool basically used for dot mandala art, a marker pen, a piece of sponge, a paper cutter, and some acrylic paints. So we will start by making different type of autumn leaves on the card sheet. It is always better to draw the basic line first and then give the shape to it. The other style. Now cut the leaves with the help of a paper cutter and we will get a stencil for our next step. Now keep it on the canvas sheet and dab the colors on it with the help of sponge. Mix the colors to give more beautiful look to it. Use different colors like yellow, green, orange, red, pink, silver, metallic pink, golden, like these type of colors to make it more colorful. And my leaves are ready. Now give an outline with a brown color to it. You can make brown color by mixing red and green here, so that you can give a color variation to it, like red brown on red leaves and green brown on green leaves. Make the texture of the leaves. Now make some random lines. Give different colors to it. The choice of color should match the theme autumn. So here I am using more of red, tones of orange and greens. Now I am making some patterns here like wavy lines. Here I am using silver for the base and ball tip tool for creating round dots on it and making circles with the help of brush around it. Let's do it quickly. Here I am putting white dots on this red to make it look different from others. I am putting some big and some small dots using both sides of this tool. Lastly, some orange dots on this green. And it's complete. Remove the tapes very carefully. And my painting is ready for framing. If you like the painting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.